Hey everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Dumbo. Well, I'm really excited. Also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and do so right now. Great, let's go try to draw Dumbo and see what we can come up with. We're going to start off by making Dumbo's head. We're going to draw both sides, leaving a space at the top and the bottom. Then at the space in the bottom, we're going to draw his trunk. On his trunk, we're going to add some lines for detail. After that, we're going to make his eyes. We're going to add a few more detailed lines near the top of his head for his eyebrows. Then at the space at the top of his head, we're going to make his hat. Now we're all done making his face. Next, we're going to make his ears. We're not going to connect his ears all the way to the face. We're going to leave a little space where his body will be. Next, we're going to make part of Dumbo's costume. We're going to make a curvy line going from the left side to the right side of his face. After that, we're going to start making Dumbo's body. We're going to start by making the front left leg. Then we're going to make the right front leg. Once we're done making his front legs, we're going to move on to his back legs. Once we finish making his body, we're going to add some detailed lines on his feet and legs. Lastly, we're going to finish making his costume around his neck. We're going to make 2 more squiggly lines inside of the one that we made before. This is how to draw Dumbo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your Dumbo in with us.